Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Journey. I got my shoes and I got a stick. Let's go measure the pond. We're going to mark it real quick, every foot. We're going to cut the end of it so it goes to a point so it'll stab down a little easier. And then at the same time I'm going to cut the end off of it so that I can screw it to here. Give me something to be able to use. I'm going to bring a hammer and give me something to use to kind of tap this in. Because I don't know how soft it is. It may go right straight to bedrock. I don't know. But got the shoes so that I can change while I'm out there. I'll mess up my bad ones and then put these back on for the walk back in. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and just put a mark every 12 inches. And I'm hoping to have this to where it can easily be seen. So we're going to paint it as well, but these marks will just be our reference. And it looks like it goes up to 92 inches. So I'm going to just go ahead and cut the angle real quick. I think that saw needs to be sharpened a little bit. And we said 92 inches. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the end of it, make it about 90 inches. And now, somewhere that's comfortable, looks like probably about right there, we'll go ahead and screw that together. That'll just give me something to tap on. That way it'll actually hammer in. Let me find some screws. All right, so my first take, try to put the screws in without counter or pre-drilling it, and decided to split. So we're gonna go ahead and do it now by pre-drilling. Hopefully we won't have that issue. So let's try again, see if we get better results. They stick out a little bit, doesn't really matter. It'll still work. So let's go paint this up. I'm just going to try and use up some paint that we already had. Don't know if any of it works, but we'll try it out and see. Well, that works. So at least we got some blue. I was going to go ahead and paint this a different color, but might as well not waste the paint. Well, this contrasts enough and it gives us what we're looking for. I'm going to take you guys for a ride. I'm going to see if this GoPro here, which I've had for a long time but never really used, I'm going to clip it to my hat here and let you guys see the walk to the pond. This is my pond. As you can see, it's not very deep, and not sure what that is in the middle there. I'll zoom in here so you can see it. Some kind of algae growth or something like that it's just right there at the bottom. It's kind of weird. But I'm gonna go ahead and take off my shoes and well, take off my socks, put my shoes back on, and walk out there because I'm not sure what's in here. Walk out there and go ahead and set my stake. I want to try to measure what the depth of the water is now, and then I'm going to hammer it in to a point to where it's even with one of the lines. That way I can tell how much further it rises. So let's see what I got. Here you can see why this water is not any higher than what it is. There's either been a catastrophic failure here, or somebody purposely dug it out so they wouldn't dam it up anymore. So let's get out in the water. Oh, this is cold. Oh man, that's cold. Oh, well, the mud is a lot deeper than what I thought. Hoping it doesn't get much deeper than this. That almost looks like maybe something from frogs. Kind of looks like jellyfish in a way. I don't know if you can see that or not. That looks strange. I'm not going to go into it. But here's my stick, and I just go down to touch the mud. Top of the mud is about halfway down. So it's 6 inches deep. So we want this to stay up. Ooh, wow, I think over here I can see it looks like, yeah, it looks like something like tadpoles or something like that inside that jelly. So not really sure what it is. But anyway, let's go ahead and hammer this down. Try to keep it straight up. And that right there is right at the first, well, right at the edge of a blue mark. So we got 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 feet, 4 feet, and 5 feet. So unless I get it higher than this, we can get it up to about 5 feet more than what it is. All I have to do is fill in that right there. So I'm gonna have to read up. Maybe you guys can put it in the comments exactly how to, oh wow, my foot's stuck. How to properly build the dam for this so that it doesn't wash out again. And I'll be researching it myself as well, because I plan on filling it back in. I think little by little, making sure I do it right. And as I do, the water should be able to fill up. So I'll take pictures and video along the way. And of course it'll be a while, but you guys can see the progress as I get it there. So anyway, from out here in a pond, hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. If you got any questions or comments, or if you got any idea on what might be about to attack me, let me know. Put it in the comments. Definitely like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can be notified whenever I got more videos. And I'm going to try to make sure and have them out a lot more often now. Currently it's every Friday, so keep checking back then. So until next time, y'all take care. Oh man, I'm gonna lose a shoe in here. I can already tell.